What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm glad to have you. If you guys watched my intro video, I told you that I was going to be explaining to you my personal approach to nutrition, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. I got the whiteboard all cleaned up, I'm ready to go, and I promise you right now, I'm going to do the best I can to keep this as simple as I can, all right? Because if you're anything like me, you like things to be simple, stupid, okay? Let's go ahead and dive in. Now, today's topic on nutrition, we are talking about calories, okay? Calories. Calories are extremely important, okay? Now, when you think calories, when I say calories, this is what I want you to be visualizing. Calories, food. Calories is food. Now, when you're at a restaurant or you going through the drive-through, you get your food. You looking down in the bag or at your plate, you got a burger, fries, and a drink, whatever. Look at the burger, calories. Fries, calories. Whatever you're drinking, a number of calories is in that. And I want you to be thinking about calories. When you're at the grocery store, you going up and down the aisles, you picking up food, checking it out. Look at the nutrition label and see how many calories is in there, okay? Because that's extremely important. Now, I'm gonna give you a little history lesson. For those of you that don't know, I used to be a personal trainer. I was a personal trainer for a little over 2 years. And out of those 2 years, I found that there are 3 types of people in the gym, okay? Those 3 types of people are the person that wants to lose weight, the person that wants to maintain weight, and the person that wants to gain weight, all right? Remember those 3 types because we're gonna use them quite a bit. Lose, maintain, and gain, all right? Now, of those 3 types of people, I am going to be in the category of the people that wants to gain weight, all right? But in order to do that, I need a starting point, okay? Right now, I weigh 171 pounds, okay? That's where I'm starting at, all right? Now, I need a goal. My goal is to gain weight, and I'm just going to throw a random number out there, 185, okay? That's what I'm shooting for. That's what we're shooting for, okay? Is that a good weight for me? Who knows? We'll see when I get there, all right? But what does calories have to do with weight, okay? This is it right here. There is a target number of calories or the amount of food that I need to eat every single day if I want to keep this weight right here. If I want to stay 171 pounds, that target number of calories that I need to eat is 3,100 calories every single day to keep this weight range right here. How did I get that number? It is the year 2020. Technology is making life extremely easy for us, all right? Go to online, type in the Google search bar, Calorie Calculator. Pick one of the top links that pops up for you. It's gonna ask you some super simple questions. I think probably your age, your height, your current weight, and your activity level. And then it's gonna give you this number right here. Not this exact number, it's gonna give you your own personalized number. But that number that it gives you is the amount of calories that you need to eat to maintain your weight. It's giving you the amount of calories if you wanted to be the person in the gym that wants to maintain, okay? If I wanted to maintain, this is how many calories I need to eat. But I don't want to maintain. I want to gain some weight, and I bet you already know where I'm going with this. So I need to up this number. Now, nutritionists say that a healthy range, or just a range in general, if you want to increase calories or decrease calories, is anywhere from 250 to 500. Now, we're gonna make it easy, and we are gonna just go on the low end and say 250. 250. Now, if we add 250 calories to our maintenance calories, that is gonna bring us to 3,350 calories. 3,350 calories that I need to eat every single day if I want to be able to reach 185 pounds, all right? Now, how long is that going to take me? The experts say that the human body is capable of gaining or losing 1 to 2 pounds every single week. All right. Now we're gonna make it easier on ourselves again and just stay on the low range. So if we use 1 pound, if we go off the idea of me gaining 1 pound every single week by upping my calories, that is gonna take me 14 weeks. Okay. Does everybody see how I got 14? 14 weeks here. We're just gonna write it on top. Weeks, 14 weeks. 171 to 185 at 1 pound a week. Me gaining 1 pound a week is gonna take me 14 weeks. That's the difference between that. 14 weeks. Y'all hear what I just said? Did you see what I just wrote? 14 weeks. 14 weeks of me being disciplined, challenging myself to eat this number of calories every single day to reach my goal of gaining weight and being 185 pounds. I didn't say overnight. I didn't say 7 days. I didn't say 2 weeks. That's like 3.5 months. 3.5 months, okay? That's what I have to do. Now, if you're the person that wants to maintain, you go on Google, you type in your information for the calorie calculator, and it pops out the first number. You're set. That's all you need. The person that wants to lose weight, you're gonna follow the same steps right down here. All you're gonna do, instead of adding addition sign, you're gonna add a subtraction sign, okay? And you're gonna take it back. You're gonna dial it back a few more calories. But keep in mind that this process takes time. There is no easy quick fix when it comes to fitness and getting in shape or reaching your goals. How do I know if I'm hitting this number? I know I'm hitting this number because every single day I am going to track what I eat, okay? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all the snacks in between. I am going to take notes, write it all down, or just, take a picture with my phone. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna add up all the calories from everything that I ate. If I hit this number, perfect. Then that tells me that I just need to be consistent and eating those same type of foods every single day. If I fall below this number, then I know I need to add another meal or maybe just a few snacks throughout the day. If I go over this number, then that tells me I need to cut some stuff out. Either way it goes, I need to challenge myself and be consistent for 3.5 months in order to reach my goal of gaining weight and reaching 185 pounds. And the same goes for you if you want to lose weight, all right? This is my real life nutrition. Like, this is what I'm doing right now. I didn't just throw some numbers up here, okay? Find your calorie intake number that you need to eat every single day, track what you eat, and trust the process, okay? You guys got this. I believe in you. Now y'all be blessed, and I will catch you in the next video.